I look to nature for clues. Mama Nature continues to grow, evolve, and flourish. It never seems to stress. It never strains itself. It just continues with the ebbs and flows. The tides go in and out, the sun comes up and it sets. And there is no effort involved. I like to use the metaphor of a butterfly. And the butterfly, in order for it to spread its wings and become the beautiful creature that it was born to be, has to go through a transition. It starts as a caterpillar and then goes into its cocoon. And in order to hatch from that cocoon and turn into the beautiful creature that it was meant to be in the first place, it has to break through. It has to push. It has to go past its usual boundaries in order for it to even stay alive. Without that strain, without that effort, the butterfly would die. It's the same with everything in life. Everything is always happening for you. Every lesson that you are presented with is always in your favor. Whatever you are wanting to become is going to take more of what you currently are. It's going to take more courage. It's going to take more effort. But remember, it's at the speed of nature, not at the speed of light. So be patient. Be patient with the process. Love the journey, because that's where the magic lies.